Okay, welcome students. Got a little behind on my videos there, but lesson 6, I got a little example video where I'm doing problems. You may want to take a look at that before you look at this video. So here we go. We're just doing a middle of the road, not too brief, not too long explanation here of lesson 6. So if you noticed, I have the tasks list in front of me, and I'm just going to scroll through here and talk about some things. So again, you got your organizer, the overview, your assignment, some readings, a couple of videos, 3 videos. I do like the videos. Lesson 6 discussion, there's your example video there, and then quiz 6. So let's do this. We'll try to do this maybe a little different here, and we'll look at this advanced organizer. Okay, so here you go. It's talking about complex numbers in a quadratic formula, and these are your outcomes. This is actually a very interesting and helpful part of our study. And then here's your task list. So remember, you have 1, your readings, and 2, your assignments. Those are the key content to the course. So keep that in mind. Okay, so right here, you have your content. Notice you have 3 major readings there, and then you have your assignment down there at the bottom. I may have said this before, but if you're any skittish or you think your skills are not what they need to be, work some problems and make sure you check the answers, and that will help you out. So again, these are very, very good explanations. And remember, on office hours, come ask a question about any problem, and if you want to write it down, that may help, or just point to where it's at. That would be very, very much appreciated. That's either the example in the lesson or a problem from the assignment. That's partly my job, so, I'll be happy to do it. Okay, so we just looked at these two. Another reading on complex numbers, very well written. Operations, add, subtract, multiply, and divide. The only problem you may have is dividing, so you're going to multiply by the conjugate to get rid of the I at the bottom. Square roots of negative numbers. For example, the square root of negative 16. Well, you got that negative inside the radical sign, so use the product rule and pull that out. That's just an I. So it's the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 16, or I times the square root of 16, or 4 times I. Write it 4I, but please don't make fun of my glasses, okay? So keep that in mind. Now, we're down here with these videos. So looking at the videos right here is really a great thing. Over and over and over and over and over and over till you get it. Nothing wrong with that. And, the teacher doesn't get upset if you have to see it again. There's lesson 6 discussion. So put something up there for me. Remember, these are worth 100 points. So I'm being pretty lenient on what you could do. So I just want you to express yourself on lesson number 6. And don't forget quiz 6. Try to use these very carefully. Mr. Staples, what advice could you give me? Do the lesson. Do some problems. Go to quiz 6. Take it. First attempt. Let's just say you make a 70. Figure out what you don't know. Go back and study that again and do more problems. Quiz 2. Quiz 6, second attempt. Go through the second attempt. Should have improved your score. If not, then you're not learning correctly, okay? There is a problem that you got to resolve. Otherwise, you're going to be very frustrated. But that should work, okay, for most people. And then you got that third option. And again, you could do that third option by way of review or just to try to improve your grade. So think about it. It's really a great opportunity, and I just love being with you on this lesson number 6, and I hope it works out for you. Don't forget my office hours on Tuesday. Best wishes, good people.